Perplexity AI versus ChatGPT. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's compare both of them. So the biggest difference between them is that whenever you will search for anything real or anything which is quite new on the internet or in the world, you would get this answer from ChatGPT that it cannot provide real-time information including current weather conditions or anything that you ask for that matter. But when you ask the same question on Perplexity, this is what you get. Basically, what I'm trying to say is that you get the real-time information on Perplexity. And not just that, but you can also ask the location specific details on Perplexity. And also, the Perplexity uses ChatGPT 4 as a free version, and you can also utilize other AI models on Perplexity if you have the paid version. But when it comes to ChatGPT, you have 3.5 ChatGPT version and other ones are locked, and it's just more than and the highest one is just ChatGPT 4, and that too with the paid version. But on Perplexity you get it for free and you have the options to choose different AI models. Moreover, you can simply click on this option of focus and go into any other mode where you want to do a deeper research on a particular aspect in a particular social media. Like you want to search the YouTube for a particular topic, you would get the answers from YouTube videos and summarizing and this AI would be summarizing all the answers and the topics from related to that particular topic, and would also give you the references of the videos from where the answers has been given. But when it comes to ChatGPT, you won't be able to get such accurate results for your queries. So on Perplexity, you get accurate answers, also citations. Whenever you will search for anything related to research or the published academic papers, you would be getting citations for it. So you can go deeper into your research and check out that particular published papers related to any scientific study. But this is not the case with ChatGPT. And I'm talking about the free version as of now, as the paid version is not as not everyone might be looking for a paid version of both the platforms. So this is all about the free version of both these platforms. Here and over here, you also can attach PDFs, images and text for free. But when it comes to ChatGPT free version, you won't be able to do that, and you can analyze these as well in a better way. Also, you can turn the pro search mode on and you can search for complex questions, ask follow-up questions and get better with your queries and get the best results out of it. But when it comes to ChatGPT, it's all depends on how you ask the stuff and how you are going to mold your queries so you get the best results. So it all depends on your skills of doing the prompt engineering or the prompt formation. You would be getting the answers. But on Perplexity, you would get better results even with like little less skills when it comes to prompts. So this is how Perplexity is winning this game at this point of time, but let's see how it all unfolds in the future. But for now, I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.